In this question, in this test, we have third question which is hard. Let's talk about the tough question or the question that are from the depth of NCERT. See, question number 3. Question number 3, in this question, this paragraph is given as it is. This paragraph is given as it is, and we have to find out the blank. See, first is that the breast is divided into 15 to 20 memory lobes. 15 to 20 memory lobes. Duct is the breast is divided into 15 to 20 memory lobes. The breast is divided into 15 to 20 memory lobes. 15 to 20 memory lobes. And the second blank is that this open into cavity lumen. Lumen is known as alveoli. The lumen is alveoli. Lumen is known as alveoli. The lumen is known as alveoli, and the alveoli open into mammary tubules. Okay, the alveoli open into mammary tubules. The alveoli open into mammary tubule, and the alveoli open into mammary tubule. And this tubule means choti pipe. Tubule means choti pipe. And this tubule combine to form a duct, which is body pipe. Duct is a body pipes. That is a body pipe. That means mammary duct is a body pipe. So mammary tubules combine to form mammary duct, and mammary duct combine to form mammary ampulla, and the mammary duct combine to form a wider mammary ampulla, and this mammary ampulla opens into lactiferous duct, that is the final duct. See, lactiferous duct is the final duct through which milk is sucked out. See, so we have 15 to 20 mammary lobes in each breast. One breast contains 15 to 20 mammary lobes. So one breast contains 15 to 20 lactiferous duct also. And it is a tough question. Next is the question number 11. Okay, this question is tough because in this we have to know the exact locations of each organism. See, they have asked about lemur and spotted cuscus. Lemur and spotted cuscus, they represent convergent evolution. When more than one adaptive relation occur in an isolated geographical area, then it is called as convergent evolution. And this line is written here. In this segment, the right line is written. And the lemur and spotted cuscus represent the convergent evolution. So they said that the bobcat and phalanger represent the, so it is correct. And the fourth statement has mentioned that here they have mentioned in fourth statement that flying phalanger and bobcat represent adaptive relation. No, it does not represent adaptive relation, because flying phalanger and bobcat are present at different location. In this segment we have all adaptive relation. In this segment we have all adaptive relation, but in this segment we have all convergent evolution or parallel evolution. So it's a tough question. And see here in the last line we have, see here in below the diagram we have that convergent evolution of Australian marsupial and placental mammal. This represent convergent evolution or parallel evolution between Australian marsupial, and these are all placental mammal. We have to also remember this. These are all placental mammal. See, P पहले आता है कि A पहले आता है, P से पहले P से P, P से पहले P से P. So आगे के सारे पहले वाले, that is placental mammal. All front one are placental mammals. And the next is question number 13. So in question number 13 they have given this paragraph as it is. No, without any data change. They have just given the blank, and we have to put this. And the first important thing in this, that we have that is this paragraph, that the bone marrow is a primary lymphoid organ. Bone marrow is a primary lymphoid organ, main lymphoid organ or the primary lymphoid organ. And thymus is located near the heart. And beneath the breastbone, which and both the bone marrow and thymus provide the microenvironment. And that is also a point of question. And question number 14. See, in question number 14 we have they have asked that how many seasons are required for complete. How many seasons are required in testing? See, at least 3 growing season. We have to test them for at least 3 growing season. 3. And they have all. Next they ask about moit. Okay, in question number 16 we are talking about the tough question, and in question number 16 they have given the paragraph as it is of this paragraph, that is the moit paragraph. They have given the moit paragraph as it is, and they have given a blank here that the hormone have FSH like activity, and the number of egg is 8 to 16. 6 to 8 and not 8 to 16. The number of egg is 6 to 8. Number of egg is 6 to 8, and the cell, which cell stage it is removed at 8 to 32 cell stage it is removed. 8 to 32 cell stage it is removed, and it is removed not surgically. It is removed non surgically. So they produce 6 to 8 eggs, and they are removed at 8 to 32 cell stage, and they are removed non surgically. So this is a blank. They have given blank there. And the next is, and question number 2, question number 22 और आसपास क्वेश्चन 22 के आसपास. मैनुअल. व्हाट आर मैनुअल? मैनुअल आर यूजफुल इन प्रोवाइडिंग, सी मैनुअल आर यूजफुल इन प्रोवाइडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, और मैनुअल आर यूजफुल इन प्रोवाइडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. Manual are useful in providing information for identification of a name of species. See, if we want to find out all the name of the species found in a particular area, then we have to go with manual. We have to go with manual. Providing information for identification of a name of species found in an area. Identification of name of the species found in an area. Name of the species found in an area. Identification of name of the species found in an area. Identification of name of the species found in an area. Identification of name of the species found in an area. And the next question is about this proinsulin, and we have to know that the insulin is made of 51 amino acid. Okay, we have to know that we have to know that the insulin is made of 51 amino acid, and the A chain contain 20 amino acid, and the B chain contain 31 amino acid, and the C chain contain 33 amino acid. And it is very also important that the A and B are linked by 2 disulfide bond. A and B are linked by 2 disulfide bond. These are all the point of question. These are all points of question. And the next is, after insulin we have root pressure. See, root pressure is maximum when transpiration is low and absorption is high. Root pressure is maximum when transpiration is low and absorption is high. Means we have more and more transpiration, we have more and more absorption. That means it exerting a pressure, and due to lack of transpiration it exerts more pressure. So pressure is more when transpiration is less and absorption is more. And in question number 41, one pyruvate gives 3 CO2. One pyruvate gives 3 CO2. And in question number 42, they ask about dedifferentiation. So dedifferentiation occur in the interfascicular cambium. Dedifferentiation occur in the interfascicular cambium, and it occur in the core cambium. It occur in interfascicular cambium, and it occur in the core cambium. And regulation of breathing. See, okay. Specialized center present in the medulla region is the respiratory rhythm center. Respiratory rhythm center is present in the medulla region, which is primarily responsible for regulation. And another region present in the Pons center. Another region which is present in the Pons region called as the pneumothoracic center. And another region that is another center that is called as pneumothoracic center, which is present in the Pons region. And neural signal from this center, or from which center? Neural signal from respiratory rhythm center or pneumothoracic center. Neural signal from this center means pneumothoracic center. Respiratory or neural signal from the pneumothoracic center reduce the duration of inspiration and thereby respiratory rate. The chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the respiratory rhythm center, which is highly sensitive to CO2 and hydrogen ion. The chemosensitive area, which is situated just adjacent to the respiratory rhythm center, is highly sensitive to CO2 and hydrogen ion. So it is also they have given the blank, and they have asked this question as it is. Okay. Next is association area. Association area neither completely motor and non completely sensory. So it is incorrect statement, because NCERT is mentioned that association area are neither completely sensory and not completely motor. See, large areas which are neither completely sensory, or nor completely motor are known as association area, which are responsible for memory and communication. And the next is the brainstem. See, brainstem, midbrain and hindbrain form the brainstem. So it has written in early NCERT, but they have corrected it. They have written that brainstem is formed by, brainstem is formed by midbrain midbrain and pons and medulla oblongata. So this statement is incorrect. So this statement is incorrect. First is incorrect, second is incorrect, and in third, choroid itself continue. No, choroid does not continue. The ciliary body continue. The ciliary body continue. This ciliary body, the ciliary body continue. The ciliary body continue itself. The ciliary body from here the ciliary body continue itself. So the ciliary body itself continue forward to form pigmented and opaque structure, called as iris. Means the ciliary body form iris and not the choroid. The ciliary body form iris and not the choroid. Okay, so it is correct. It is incorrect option. Sorry, that's why 3 is incorrect. And fourth, Mamnus labyrinth is filled with endolympias. It is correct. And the next is question number 65, in which number of Uthika produced in a cockroach is 9 to 10. Number of Uthika produced in cockroach is 9 to 10. And in 87 question, we have to know that the element which are mobile, the deficiency symptoms first of all occur in the younger tissue, because if the deficiency occurs in the older tissue, then they move to older tissue, and they lack the deficiency will be first seen in the younger tissue. The element which is mobile, this nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, these are mobile element, and the element which is not mobile is sulfur and calcium. Or we can also only say that calcium is immobile. So the deficiency symptoms of calcium appear first on younger tissue. See, we have, for example, deficiency symptoms of nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium are visible first in senescent leaf. Okay. The deficiency symptoms tend to appear first in older tissue. For elements which are actively mobilized within the plant support to young tissue, deficiency symptoms appear first in the older tissue. Yes, which are mobile, the deficiency symptoms first of all tend to appear in the the deficiency symptoms tend to appear first in the older tissue. Which are actively mobile, younger tissue which are mobile, the deficiency symptoms first of all tend to seen in. See here, if the elements are mobile, for example, nitrogen, potassium and magnesium are mobile, so the deficiency will first of all seen in the older tissue, because if the young tissue want nutrition, minerals, so old tissue, they give them nutrition to give their mineral to the younger tissue, and that they get deficient in the older tissue. So deficiency symptoms is first of all tend to appear in the older tissue for the element which are mobile. The period from birth to natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. It is known as lifespan. Which cell are stimulated by FSH in male? FSH stimulates Sertoli cell in male. Next, and ICS, that is interstitial cell stimulating hormone, stimulate the Leydig cell to release testosterone. Next, a functional mammary gland is characteristic of all female mammal. The glandular tissue of each breast is divided into about 15 to 20, not 15 to 20. So we have B and C, which can be correct, and we have eliminated A and D. We have eliminated A and D. So they are eliminated, and B and C can be answered. And next is the glandular tissue of each breast is divided into about 15 to 20. Containing 15-20 what? 15-20 containing cluster of cell called alveoli. The cell of alveoli secrete milk, which is stored in the cavity or lumen of alveoli. The alveoli open into duct tubules, छोटे pipe tubules, and then into ducts, which are known as बड़े pipe. Okay. Oh, big pipe. So B is lactiferous duct. B is Sorry, B is okay. B is tubule, and the tubule joined to form a duct. Okay, C is duct, and we have both. Okay, and in B and C we have duct. So they can be the answer. And next is several duct, okay, several mammary duct joined to form a wider mammary ampulla, and then ampulla, anything that is suja hua is ampulla, okay, so D is ampulla, and which is connected to lactiferous duct, okay, through which milk is sucked, okay, out, okay, so E is lactiferous duct, okay. Next, which of the following contraceptive method cannot be used practically? Condoms, copper releasing IUDs, implants, lactational amenorrhea. See, lactational amenorrhea cannot be used practically because it is only during pregnancy and after pregnancy during the lactational period, okay. In which of the following method of ART fertilization will be in vivo? In vivo means in the mother body. Then it is known as in vivo. And it is artificial insemination. Yes, artificial insemination. Okay, in artificial insemination. Okay, if in artificial insemination the development take place in vivo. Okay, fertilization take place in vivo in the mother body itself. Okay, so next. Mendel conducted artificial pollination or cross pollination experiment using true breeding. He had chosen 14 true breeding. Garden pea lines. An organism has two unlinked gene P and Q. Its genotype is capital P small p and capital Q small q. How many different type of gamete will be produced? Will be formed. See, we have 2 की power n is the number of gamete का formula. So here we have 2, that is the number of heterozygous condition. तो 2 की power 2 कितना 4 के जितना. Okay, so it is 4. A transcription unit in DNA must have promoter, structural gene as well as transmitter. These all are present in the transcription unit. Okay. Next, which of the following set of option is used in translation? See, translation. In translation we use mRNA. In which codons are present, and we use tRNA in which anticodons are present, and ribosome. Ribosome is made up of RNA. So we use mRNA, tRNA, and RNA. Next. Okay. Primate called Rhyopithecus and Rhyopithecus were existing about 15 million year ago. 1500 million year ago. No, 15 million year ago. Okay. And about 2 million year ago, we have Australopithecine. Okay. Next. Select the incorrect match. We have to find out the incorrect. Okay. First is example of adaptive radiation. That is Darwin finches and Austral marsupial. Yes, Darwin finches and Austral marsupial are the great example of adaptive radiation. So first is correct, and we have to find out the incorrect statement. So next is Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. That is allele frequency in a population are stable. Yes, it is absolutely correct. And result of different adaptive radiation. Lemur and spotted cuscus. Yes. So we have to talk about it is a hard question. And result of different adaptive radiation. Lemur and spotted cuscus. Yes, these are the result of different adaptive radiation. No. Yes. We have to find out the incorrect statement. It is correct. Lemur and spotted cuscus. See, lemur and spotted cuscus, and in NCERT's diagram they are adjacent to each other, means they resemble. They are the result of different adaptive radiation. And if more than one adaptive radiation take place in a given geographical area, then it is said to be convergent evolution. It is a result of convergent evolution. Means they develop similar form. So C is also correct. And the next is result of same adaptive radiation. Bobcat and flying phalange. No, they are the result. They are not the result of same adaptive radiation, because bobcat is in this right side, or so left side of the NCERT page, and adaptive radiation. Flying phalange is the right side of the NCERT page. So they are not the result of same adaptive radiation. They are the result of different adaptive radiation. Okay. It is incorrect. Okay, next answer. Mary Mellon was a cook by profession and also a carrier of particular disease. Which disease is commonly used for diagnosis? Okay, which test is used for diagnosis of this disease? That is Vidal test. Okay, so for the diagnosis of typhoid, we use Vidal test, and for the diagnosis of diphtheria, we use Seek test. Okay, next. The dash is the main lymphoid organ where all the blood cell See, we have bone marrow. Bone marrow is the primary lymph organ. So bone marrow is the main lymph organ where blood cell, including the lymphocyte are produced, And the DES is a lobed organ located near the heart and beneath the breastbone. See, third is means there is thymus. Third is thymus, which is a lobed organ. It is not a lobed cell. It is a lobed organ which is present beneath the heart bone. Sorry, which is present beneath or near the heart and beneath the breastbone. Okay. So three is thymus, and next the thymus is quite large at the time of birth, but keep reducing in size with age, and by the time of puberty it attain it and reduce to very small size. Okay. Both and bone marrow and thymus provide micro environment. See, micro. Okay, micro environment for the development and maturation of T lymphocyte. It is absolutely correct. Next, a crop must be tested for at least 3 seasons, at least 3 growing season before releasing for commercialization. Okay, so at least for 3 seasons. We have talked in hard question. We have talked this question in hard question. Okay, and next is fishery. Fishery include rearing, catching and selling of fish, mollusk as well as crustacean. In mollusk we have shellfish, and in crustacean is a prawn, we have crabs. Okay, so it is a fishery. And multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology, that is MOET. Okay, MOET is a program of herd improvement. Herd improvement means we want to improve our herd. Okay, in this method a cow is administered hormone with FSH like activity, that is follicle stimulating hormone like activity. So one is matched with FSH, and we have eliminated B and D. So B and D cannot be our required answer, so they are eliminated. And the next is okay. The animal is either mated with an elite bull or artificial inseminated the fertilized egg at the fertilized egg. Okay. See, we have missed out this one. Okay, to induce a follicular maturation and superovulation. Like instead of one egg which they normally yield per cycle, they produce about 6 to 8 eggs. Okay, they produce about 6 to 8 eggs. Okay, 6 to 8 and not 8 to 32. And it produces 6 to 8 eggs. Okay. Next. It is a blank 2. Okay, the animal is either mated with an elite bull and artificial inseminated the fertilized egg at 8 to 32 cell stage are removed non-surgically. We have to remove it non-surgically. Okay. And remove it non-surgically and transfer to a surrogate mother. Okay, the genetic mother is available for the another round of supervision. See, it is correct. Okay, next. Okay, select the correct statement from the following. We have to get the correct statement. Okay, sorry, we have to select the correct statement. And next is activated sludge sediment in settlement tank of the sewage treatment plant is rich in source of anaerobic bacteria. No, they are the rich source of aerobic bacteria that requires oxygen to grow. So it is incorrect. It is not our required answer. Okay, biogas is produced by the activity of aerobic bacteria on the animal waste. No, they are produced by the bacteria. Okay, they are produced by the activity of anaerobic bacteria. The most common anaerobic bacteria is Methanobacterium, that is a group of archaebacteria. Okay, methanogen. So it is also incorrect. Methanobacterium is an aerobic bacteria. No, methanobacteria is an anaerobic bacteria. Okay, so it is also incorrect. Biogas, commonly called as gobar gas, is a mixture of gas mainly composed of methane. Yes, it is mainly composed of methane. It contains H2S as well as CO2. Okay. So it is correct and it is a required answer. Okay, next. Technique to alter the genetic material. Technique to alter the genetic material is known as genetic engineering. Okay, the technique to alter the genetic makeup is called as genetic engineering. And next is use of bioresource by multinational companies and other organization without proper authorization from countries and people concerned without compensatory payment is known as biopiracy. It is known as biopiracy. Okay, adaptation in organism can be morphological, can be physiological, can be behavioral, all of this, and next is okay, detritivore break down detritus into small particle. This process is called as, see, we have to break down this into fragments, we have to break, इनको छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काट देना है, टोटी टोटी कर देने हैं, ओके हमने बोला कि फ्रेगमेंटेशन, ओके दिस मेथड इज नोन एज फ्रेगमेंटेशन, वी हैव टू ब्रेक देम इनटू स्मॉलर पार्टिकल by detritivore. For example, earthworm is a best example of detritivore which break this detritus into small particle known as fragmentation. This process known as fragmentation, and the fragment which are formed are further added by or further degraded by fungi and bacteria, which are this process known as catabolism. And next is India has only -% of the world land area. India has about 2.4% of the land area, but it has 2.4% of the world land area, but it contribute 8.1% of the species diversity. Okay, so it is very good. Okay, find the correct match. Okay, Rauwolfia vomitoria. Okay, Rauwolfia vomitoria. Okay, from its root. Okay, from Rauwolfia vomitoria root we obtain active substance known as reserpine. Okay, which have so great genetic diversity. A is matched with 2, and A is matched with 2. We have only one option with A2, so it is a required answer. And quinine. Okay, quinine is obtained from the bark. Quinine is obtained from the bark, and C is okay. Curcuma longa is obtained from the rhizome. And next is okay. The Haryana Kisan Welfare Club is run by Ramesh Chandra Dagar. Okay, he have introduced integrated farm management. Okay, integrated farming, okay, by the cyclical use of resources, and that, okay, these are useful in providing information for identification of variety of species found in an area. Okay, manual, this is a hard question, from direct NCERT's line. Okay, so this is useful in providing information for any particular. So these are useful in providing information for identification of variety of species. See, if we see a variety of species, okay, we have to identify a variety of species. In a given area. Okay, a manual is a book which contains names of different plants that are found in a particular area, or animals that are found in the particular area. So it is a required answer. And next, which of the following species do not have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen? See, nostoc has the ability, yes, it has heterocyst. And asparagus is green algae which does not have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Azotobacter is an aerobic free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. And Anabina is a cyanobacteria. Okay, Anabina, which is found in the roots of azolla. Okay, azolla. Okay, next. Okay, next is, okay, next. Sileginella, that is also known as Sanjeevani Bhutti. Sileginella can be regarded as an evolutionary advanced pteridophyte because of heterospory. Okay, adult annelid have symmetry. Okay, symmetry similar to that of, see, adult annelids are bilaterally symmetrical. And we humans are also bilaterally symmetrical. There is a plane which can divide our body into two equal halves. Okay, so we are bilaterally symmetrical, that are similar to adult annelid. Okay, next. Member of which phylum have well developed circulatory system and respiratory, we have missed this word. Okay, members of which phylum lack a well developed circulatory system. They lack a well developed circulatory system. See, Aschelanthes is the member. Okay, these are the member which get first time a complete digestive system with a mouth. Okay, with a complete, okay, two opening for mouth and for anus. Okay, for intake and for excrete. Okay, so they had the first time in the phylum, or in the course of evolution, they got the first time a complete digestive system, but they lack circulatory system as a respiratory system. Okay, select the correct statement. A bird is present in the exile of petiole in both simple and compound leaf. Okay, we have to focus in this word, leaf. Okay, exile के किसके exile पे? हमने बोला simple leaf के compound leaf के दोनों के exile में क्या पाया जाएगा? Okay, bird can be seen in the exile of petiole in both simple as well as a compound leaf, but it cannot be found in the exile of a leaflet. Okay, so it is a required answer. Okay, which is correct? Solen leaf base occur in it occurs in leguminous. It occurs in legumes. Okay. And stem tendril occur in pea. No, stem tendril occur in goats. That is cuckoo, water, pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon, and pumpkin. Okay, namkin nahi pumpkin. Okay, stem tendril occur in pea. Stem tendril occur in pea. No, in pea we have leaf tendril. Leaf modifies into tendril. Okay. Phyloclade is expanded petiole. No. For expanded petiole is known as phylloid, not phyloclade, and is found in Australian acacia. It is found in means phylloid is found in Australian acacia. Phylloid is found in Australian acacia. Phylloid is found in Australian acacia, and phyloclade is found in cacti. Cacti, Opuntia, euphorbia. Yes. Next. Which one of the following statement pertaining to plant structures is correct? We have to find out the correct statement. Okay. Cork-like stomata, but lenticel carry out transpiration. Okay. It is absolutely correct. Yes. The cork are the dead cell. So they does not contain stomata, but the lenticel carry out transpiration means gaseous exchange is done by lenticels. Okay. It is absolutely correct. Passage cell help transfer. Okay. Food. No. Passage cell help in the transfer of water and not food. Okay, so it is not our required answer. Sieve tube possess cytoplasm and nuclei. No, they are exception. Okay, mature sieve tube and mature RBC in human being, okay, lack nucleus because they have to maximize their surface. They have to maximize their surface or space for making, or for RBC maximize their space for transport of what? Transport of oxygen. Okay, and pseudapical meristem has vascular tissue. No. Pseudapical meristem contain vascular tissue. No. They contain what? They contain meristematic tissue. Pseudapical meristem contain meristematic tissue. So it is incorrect and it is not our required answer. We have to find out the correct statement. So next is which of the following it is a supporting framework of epithelium? Okay, the adipose tissue. No. Areolar connective tissue act as supporting framework for epithelium. Okay, and skin is an example of dense irregular connective tissue. Irregular connective tissue का example क्या है? Skin है. Okay, which is an example of dense irregular. Okay, skin is an example of dense irregular connective tissue, and which is an example of dense regular connective tissue. Tendons and ligaments are example to bubbly, bone to bone ligament, bone to tendon. Okay, sorry, bone to muscle tendon. Okay, next. Okay, epithelium is commonly found in duct of gland and tubular part of nephron. Epithelium is found in the duct of gland and tubular part of nephron. It is cuboidal epithelium, which main function is absorption and secretion. So P is blank A. A is simple cuboidal. Or yes, we have simple cuboidal, so we have eliminated B and C. And A and D can be our answer. Epithelium B is found in the inner surface of hollow organ like bronchi and fallopian tube. So it is ciliate epithelium which help in movement of substance here and there. Okay, so we have D, which is the correct answer. And epithelium C provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. So compound epithelium, which is multilayer epithelium, which provides protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Okay. In which of the following would you expect to find glyoxysome? Glyoxysome is found in fatty seed. Like example of fatty seed is castor seed. Okay, which of the following is not correctly matched with categories? Okay, insulin is not a carbohydrate, it is a protein. Insulin is a peptide hormone which contains 51 amino acid, which is made of 51 amino acid. It has one alpha chain and one beta chain. Alpha chain is also known as A chain and beta chain is also known as B chain. A chain is made of 20 amino acid and B chain or beta chain is made up of 31 amino acid, and a C chain that is absent in mature insulin, which is present in proinsulin, is made up of 33 amino acid. Okay, next. Okay, find out the number of chromosome and the amount of DNA in a spore mother cell of bryophyte in G2 stage. Spore mother cell of bryophyte. Okay, see, we have to find this number in spore mother cell. Spore mother cell is diploid. Yes, and it has the 4 times the amount of DNA. 4 times the amount of DNA as compared to a male gamete. So we have to find out. Okay, if spore contains 5 chromosome and the 5 gram of DNA. See, spore means haploid structure. Spore is nothing but a haploid structure, and it has C amount of chromosome, which is given that it is 5 picogram. So we have 5 into 4, that is 20 picogram of DNA. and number of chromosome is 10. Number of chromosome is 10. 10 chromosome and 20 picogram of DNA. 10 chromosome and 20 picogram of DNA. Okay. Root pressure is maximum when transpiration is low but absorption is high. अरे पीछे से धक्का दे रहा है okay. When transpiration is low and aspiration is high, when transpiration is low and absorption is high, then root pressure is maximum. It is maximum when transpiration is low and absorption is high. Okay, select the n-cut pair from the following. Okay, photolysis of water for photolysis किसके बेसिस में होता है? MnCl के बेसिस में होता है MnCl. Okay. Next is cation and ion balance KCl. Redox element FeNCu. Yes. Phloem transport boron and copper. No. Copper does not play any role in phloem transport. Boron play yes. It play a major role in carbohydrate translocation, but copper has no role with phloem transport. See. Okay, the light reaction. In light reaction, the assimilatory power produced are NADPH plus H plus NADP. NADPH plus H plus NADP are included in are known as assimilatory power. CO2 acceptor and carboxylating enzyme in mesophyll cell of C4 plant are respectively CO2 acceptor and carboxylating enzyme. See, CO2 acceptor in C4 plant. We have to find in C4 plant. This initial CO2 acceptor is PAP, that is phosphoenol pyruvate, and the enzyme that catalyzes the reaction between PAP and CO2 is PAPcase. PAPcase means phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. Okay, so it is our required answer. Next, in aerobic respiration, that there is a complete oxidation of pyruvate by stepwise removal of all the hydrogen atom releasing. See, we have to read it carefully. We have to find out how many CO2 is released when one pyruvate stepwise. Okay, we oxidize one pyruvate stepwise. Okay, see, then we have 3 CO2. Then we get 3 CO2 from one pyruvate and a glucose. Okay, from one glucose we get 2 pyruvate and enter the Krebs cycle. We have 6 molecule of CO2. Okay, next is, how many of the following tissue given below are formed by de-differentiation? De-differentiation means a differentiated tissue that has undergone differentiation firstly, and then it regain its primary permanent and become primary permanent tissue, and is gaining once again the meristematic activity. That's why it is known as de-differentiation, and it forms secondary meristematic tissue. So intrafascicular cambium, no, intrafascicular cambium, because intrafascicular cambium is a primary meristem and it is appeared early in the life, so it is not a result of de-differentiation. Interfascicular cambium, yes, it is a result of de-differentiation. Core cambium, yes, it is a result of de-differentiation. And procambium, no. Phylodum, no. So we have two, that is interfascicular cambium and core cambium, which are result of de-differentiation. So we have two options which are the result of de-differentiation. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is not correctly matched? Muscularis mucosa. Okay, see, mucosa is the innermost layer. Yes, it is the innermost layer. So we have to find out the not correctly matched option. That is incorrect option, and first is incorrect. As I see, the first is incorrect because mucosa is the innermost layer and not outermost. Sorry, it is outermost. It is saying that it is outermost layer. It is outermost layer and made up of thin mesothelium, have some connective tissue. No. It is not an outermost layer, it is the innermost layer. Okay, according to, we know that our outermost layer is serosa and the innermost layer is mucosa, and inside the if we move inside to outside, then we get mucosa and then submucosa and then inner circular muscle and outer longitudinal. हर लंबी चीजें बाहर होती है सर. Okay, and then inner circular muscle and then outer longitudinal muscle, and then in last we get we reach with serosa, which is a membrane of, which is an example of white fibrous connective tissue, which is covered with WFCT. A specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain called as. Okay, a specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain called as. Okay, medulla region is respiratory rhythm center. Okay, at the medulla region we have respiratory rhythm center. So we have eliminated A and B. We have eliminated A and B, and C and D can be our correct answer. Is primarily responsible for this regulation. Another center present in the pons region of the brain called as pneumotaxic center. So we have C and D, which both has written that it is pneumotaxic center, so it can be our answer. And the next is can moderate the function of the dash. They can moderate the function, okay, by reducing Okay, they can modulate the function of the respiratory rhythm center. Okay, neural signal from this center means the neural signal from neural center from this signal means the neural center from the pneumotaxic center can reduce the duration of inspiration, can reduce the duration. That is a hard question that we have talking about. Okay, it is a hard question, and and we have seen that in it reduces the duration of inspiration and thereby alter the respiratory rate. It thereby alter the respiratory rate. Okay, and dash is situated adjacent to the respiratory rhythm center. Okay, dash is situated adjacent to the rhythm center. Okay, we have a chemosensitive area which is situated adjacent to the chemosensitive area. Respiratory rhythm center. And next is it is highly sensitive to CO2 and H plus concentration. H plus ion serum is having all the following except. Okay, serum is a plasma without clotting protein. What is serum? Plasma without clotting protein is known as serum. What is serum? Plasma without clotting protein is known as serum. Okay, match the column A with column B. PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule, ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, conditional reabsorption of Na plus C. PCT, where selective reabsorption occur, maximum reabsorption occur in PCT, so A is matched with 2. And we have two options which A2, so it is incorrect. And Bowman's capsule, where ultrafiltration occurs, so B is matched with 3, so this is our required answer. And loop of Henle countercurrent mechanism, so C is matched with 1 and D is matched with 4 because DCT, that is responsible for conditional reabsorption of Na plus in the presence of ADH hormone, that is antidiuretic hormone. Okay, in a skeletal muscle, the muscle bundle of fascica, in a skeletal muscle, the muscle bundle or fascica are held together by fascicles. See, these are first fascicles. And fascicles are held together by fascica, which is made up of collagen fiber mainly. Okay, next is association area which are mainly motor. Okay, we have talked this question in hard question and it is a hard question. Association area which is mainly motor in function are responsible for function, and the association area are not neither completely sensory nor motor, so it is incorrect. And it is not our required answer. Midbrain and hindbrain from the brainstem. No, midbrain and hindbrain, it is written in old NCERT, but they have corrected it. That is midbrain plus hindbrain, excluding the cerebellum, or midbrain plus pons and medulla form the brainstem, so it is also incorrect. 1 is incorrect, 2 is incorrect. Choroid, no, we have talking about this. The choroid itself continue forward to form a pigmented and opaque structure. No, the ciliary body itself continue forward, not the choroid. The ciliary body itself continue forward to form a pigmented and opaque structure called iris, so it is also incorrect. Membranous labyrinth is filled with fluid called endolabyrinth. Yes, the membranous labyrinth is filled with fluid called endolymph. Okay, incorrect. How many of the given statement are incorrect? C. A is incorrect, 2 is incorrect, 3 is incorrect. The membranous labyrinth is filled with fluid called endolymph. Yes, it is correct. The membranous labyrinth is filled with endolymph and the bony labyrinth is filled with perilymph, into which the membranous labyrinth is floating. Okay, so we have A, B, C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, which is incorrect, and we have to find out the incorrect. We have 3 statements which are incorrect. Bentham and Hooker have given the classification of flowering plant. This classification was natural classification. Bentham and Hooker have given the natural classification. What will be the additional volume of air that a person can expire by forceful expiration? Additional volume of air that a person can expire by forceful expiration. It is asking about the expiratory reserve volume. So we have about 1100 ml, that is the value of expiratory reserve volume, that additional amount of air we can expel out by forceful expiration. Which of the following drug is anti-anxiety in nature? See, we have BB, that is BB. These are BAB means A is amphetamine and B is benzodiazepine and B is barbiturate. These are anti-sleep pills. Okay, BB sleep. These are sleep pills. Sorry, barbiturates are sleep pills. Barbiturates are sleep pills. Okay, and amphetamines are anti-sleep pills, and amphetamines are anti-sleep pills, and barbiturates are the sleep pills. Okay, so we have these are anti-anxiety means they are sleep pills. So we have both A and B, which is anti-anxiety. Mycoplasma are different from other prokaryote by they have absence of cell wall. Essential elements are not required for normal reproduction. Not yes, they are required for normal reproduction. It is so it is incorrect. They are not replaceable by other. They are not replaceable by other element. Yes. Never directly involved in metabolism. Never directly involved in metabolism. Never directly involved in metabolism. Okay, they directly involved. Yes, they are involved directly involved in metabolism. So it is incorrect. It is incorrect. Required only in those metabolic processes responsible for biomass growth. Required only in those metabolic processes responsible for biomass growth. No. It is required in all type of metabolic processes. So we have only B, which is correct. The end product of fermentation of molasses by yeast is ethyl alcohol. Identify the incorrect information about erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, Rh negative blood of the pregnant mother. Yes. Rh positive blood of the fetus. Yes. Fetus may suffer from severe anemia and jaundice. Yes. This condition can be avoided by administering anti-Rh antibody to the fetus. No, to the mother, but just immediately after delivery of the first child. Yes, just after delivery of the first child. So to prevent the formation of antibody against the Rh antigen. It is administered to mother and not to the fetus. So it is incorrect and it is the required answer. Which of the following ion move first during the generation of an action potential along the axon? So sodium move first during the generation of action potential axon along the axon. Who was the first member of Homo? Genus Homo. See, Homo habilis are the first hominid they are the tool makers and they appear first and they have the kinetic capacity of 650 to 800 cc. Photooxidation of chlorophyll is prevented by carotenoid. 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 Histone is positively charged and not negatively charged. Histone is क्या बिल्कुल सही है. Set of positively charged protein which are basic in nature. Set of positively charged protein which are basic in nature. This is correct. In animal, specialized cell for osmoregulation and excretion was first seen in. Specialized cell for osmoregulation and excretion was first seen in. Specialized cell for osmoregulation and excretion is first seen in Adenida. No, first seen in Platyhelminthes, that is flame cell. A fall in the glomerular blood flow, that is G glomerular blood pressure और GFR can activate the Golgi cell to release renin. जो पहले आया था डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में तो उसने 2 N ले लिया और जो बाद में आया उसको एक ही N मिला, that is RENIN एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में. Sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation where GAG is replaced with when codon GAG is replaced with GUG. Okay, so it is the required answer. And it is an autosomal recessive disorder. Which of the following statement is not correct? We have to find out the not correct statement. Ecosystem is an open system. Yes, it is an open system. Ecosystem is a self-sustaining and dynamic structure. Yes, it is a dynamic structure. It is a self-sustaining structure. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for any ecosystem. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for any ecosystem. Yes. In an artificial ecosystem, flow of energy is not unidirectional. No. In an artificial ecosystem, the flow of energy is unidirectional. It cannot be cyclically changes in artificial ecosystem. So it is incorrect. In artificial ecosystem, the flow of energy is in unidirectional. Okay. Location of cerebral aqueduct and corpora quadrigemina in human brain are respectively three. See, the corpora quadrigemina is present in the midbrain, is the part of midbrain. Corpora quadrigemina is the part of midbrain and human brain and cerebral aqueduct. And cerebral aqueduct is present in the midbrain as well as corpora quadrigemina. Okay, we have corpora quadrigemina. It is only present in the mammals. Okay, so they are both present in the midbrain. They both are present in the midbrain. In Periplaneta americana, on an average, the number of ootheca produced by female are, it is about 9 to 10 ootheca, okay, by one ovulation. So female produce 9 to 10 ootheca in a cockroach Periplaneta americana. Select the option with correct identification of the given contraceptive measure and the hormone essentially present in it. See, it is nothing but is implant, and implant are 16 number. And these are implants, subcutaneous implant which have progesterone and progesterone testosterone combination, and this prevent the ovulation. This prevent the ovulation. This prevent the ovulation. Jaw fish probably evolved around 3-5. See, we write jaw like this and we like J like 5 like this, so they are matching and so they can be matched with lines. And this this probably evolved about 350 million year ago. This probably evolved around 350 million year ago. Okay. If a subcellular fraction from liver tissue exhibit a high level of acid, lipase, proteases, carbohydrates activity, the organelle associated with it is lysosome. See, lysosome is known as cytosol back to the cell, okay, and it contains hydrolytic enzyme and lipases, proteases, carbohydrates. These are nothing but these are hydrolytic enzymes. A close relation between flower and pollinating agent is best exhibited by yucca with pronuba moth, Chemolithotrop are those bacteria which can utilize inorganic material as the energy source. Light and energy source. Chemolithotrop are the organism which utilize inorganic material as the energy source. Inorganic material as the energy source. Adult frog and land snail are respectively, okay. Adult frog and land snail are respectively uricotelic, okay. These are uricotelic, okay. Uricotelic. Land snail is uricotelic, means they secrete uric acid, and adult frog is urotelic. They are urotelic. That is, they secrete urea. Okay. People with Klinefelter syndrome have 47 chromosomes, including 3 sex chromosomes XXY. What is term to describe the aberration that occur during meiosis that result in abnormal chromosome number? See, it is nothing but it is non-disjunction. It is a result of non-disjunction. That's why it get a XXY chromosome. If radioactive thymidine is used during S phase of the interphase, which part of the chromosome will become radioactive? See, in initial S phase we have euchromatin, that is replication of euchromatin take place in the initial stage of the S phase, and at the later stage of the S phase we have the application of heterochromatin. So both euchromatin and heterochromatin replication take place during S phase, and both contain thymine, so thymidine is accumulated in both. Okay, that's why the part of the chromosome will become radioactive is both the euchromatin and the heterochromatin region. Which of the following does not play any role in the movement of water through the xylem? Which does not play an important role? Okay, capillarity, yes, it plays important role. Root pressure, yes, it plays an important role to maintain the column, or to maintain the length of the column. Okay, and next is H plus ATPase pump at the xylem element membrane. Okay, H plus ATPase pump at the xylem element membrane. No, it does not play an important role. It does not play an important role in water transport of water, movement of water through xylem. Oxygen increases the plasticity of the cell. In photosynthesis, the first step is the electron release by chlorophyll, that is photoexcitation of chlorophyll A. Electron. Ribosome are the enzyme working as nucleic acid with enzymatic activity are called as ribosome. That is, peptide transferase is an example of ribosome, where 23S rRNA act as enzyme in prokaryote, and in eukaryote we have 28S rRNA. Soft fish and beta are respectively. Soft fish means persistis and beta is the fighting fish. Soft fish is persistis and beta is the fighting fish. What is common between cockroach and crab? See, they both have double ventral solid nerve cord, okay, because they are member of non-chordates. Which of the following feature can be observed in the eukaryotic chromosome? Eukaryotic chromosome. Telomere, centromere, euchromatin, origin of DNA replication. These all are found in eukaryotic chromosome. Okay. Which of the following is not true about biodiversity? Maximum biodiversity occur in tropics. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. First option is correct. And next is introduction of exotic species may cause loss of biodiversity. Yes, yes, yes. Hotspot are the region where very high species richness and high degree of endemism occur. Yes, yes, yes. Diversity of microbe is not biodiversity. Why? They are biodiversity. They are biodiversity. So it is incorrect. The correct description of saprophyte of Markensia gametophyte of fern is C. Markensia saprophyte is dependent on, okay, the dependent former is haploid and the later is diploid. Sporophyte is haploid and the gametophyte is diploid. Yes. Sorry. The sporophyte is former is haploid. Former is diploid. Both represent the dominant generation in the respective life cycle. No. They both do not have vascular tissue. Generally accepted feature of biological membrane include all the following except asymmetric arrangement of lipid. Asymmetric arrangement of lipid. Yes, it is correct. Rapid infusion of inorganic ion. No, ion are inorganic and these are charged, so they does not show rapid infusion. They does not show rapid diffusion, because they are ionic and they does not diffuse rapidly or easily from the lipid bilayer. What is chemical nature of aldosterone? See, aldosterone is a steroidal hormone. Which of the following remain constant during skeletal muscle contraction? A band remain the constant where only what is A band? A band is a region. A band is a line, or A band is a place where only myosin are pegged. It doesn't matter whether actin are present or not. The rate of transpiration increase with decrease of atmospheric pressure. If we decrease the atmospheric pressure, then the दबाव उस पत्ते पे कम होते जा रहा है, दबाव कम होते जा रहा है, तो evaporation ज़्यादा करते जाएगा. The mineral deficiency is likely to affect older leaf more than younger leaf. In mineral with very mobile within the plant, mineral which is mobile, this deficiency symptom is first of all seen in the younger tissue. Okay, because if a old tissue required nutrient, then the nutrient from the young tissue is moved to the older tissue, and the deficiency is first of all seen in the younger tissue when element is mobile, like calcium. Calcium is very mobile. Or calcium is immobile. Nitrogen are immobile. Nitrogen is mobile. Phosphorus is mobile. Plastid that store oil and fat are known as helioplast. Plastid which store oil and fat are called as helioplast. CNG is better fuel than petrol or diesel because CNG burn efficiently. Yes, cannot be spoiled of an altered. Yes, adulterated. Okay, and non-carcinogenic and non-corrosive. Yes, all of these are correct for CNG. Select the mismatch pairs. Semicircular canal, these are present in internal ear, corpus callosum, cerebral hemisphere. Yes. Cranial myelinated. Yes. Rhodopsin is not visual violet, it is visual purple, so it is incorrect and is the required answer.
Let me